Begin by locating the four corners of your paper and drawing four partial circles. You can trace something if you have it. You're going to trace a smaller circle for each head of your snowman. You might have to adjust. Some might be closer to each other than the others, and that's okay. Next up, we're going to start adding our silly faces. You can use any type of face that you want, but don't forget that carrot nose. It's shaped like a cone. Give your snowman some expressions. This snowman is looking up at his other friend. So you can change the direction of the eyes to look at one another, and you can change the noses and mouths however you like. Add some accessories to your snowman. I like a top hat on a snowman. This snowman is wearing a candy cane striped scarf. Add some details. Now we add the branches for the arms, and they can be any shape. Think about tree branches that you've seen before. One more fun Santa hat. Add some snow. And then color your background sky. You can use any material, colored pencils, crayons, watercolor, whatever you have on hand to make your beautiful snowman composition. I hope you had fun.